United States. Following the 1929 stock market crisis, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, was founded in 1934. The United States economy was prospering in the 1920s, increasing the number of investors and stock values. However, there were few rules in place at the time. Many businesses engage in deceptive methods by presenting inaccurate and misleading information to the public. As the economy began to stall toward the conclusion of the decade, the stock market fell precipitously in October 1929. This triggered the Great Depression, a protracted and severe economic depression that lasted throughout the 1930s. The SEC was established by the U.S. Congress to prevent such an incident and restore public confidence in the stock market. The regulator ensures that listed companies offer accurate information about their businesses and inform investors about the risks associated with trading their stocks. The SEC also oversees brokers, dealers, and exchanges that operate in the business. What exactly is Binance? Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, with average daily trade volumes of around $65 billion. Changpeng Zhao, popularly known as CZ, started the corporation. Binance has its cryptocurrency BNB, which is one of the most valuable in the world in terms of market capitalization. Binance's blockchain network, known as the BNB chain, employs the BNB cryptocurrency. In the United States, the corporation is known as Binance. What exactly is Coinbase? Coinbase is one of the world's most well-known cryptocurrency startups. Coinbase was founded in 2012 by Brian Armstrong and has now become a household name in over 100 countries around the world. Coinbase is the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the United States in terms of trade volume. Coinbase, unlike Binance, does not have its token. In 2023, the business announced the introduction of Base, a blockchain network in conjunction with Ethereum Layer 2 network optimism. Understanding this SEC's concerns is now possible. The SEC intends to regulate cryptocurrencies and subject cryptocurrency companies, brokers, dealers, and exchanges to the same regulations that apply to the stock market and its players. However, because cryptocurrencies have just recently acquired popularity, there are no regulations developed expressly for them. The SEC appears determined to consider cryptocurrencies as securities. In June 2023, the SEC initiated legal action against two of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchanges, Binance and Coinbase, for operating as unregistered exchanges. On June 5, 2023, the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, filed a lawsuit against Binance for * operating an unregistered exchange and allowing U.S. investors to buy, sell, and trade cryptos. * selling Binance-owned cryptos, BNB and BUSD stablecoins. * offering staking and profit-generating programs called BNB Vault and Simple Earn. * misrepresenting how investor protection controls are implemented on the Binance U.S. platform. * not allowing Binance U.S. To when the SEC's allegations against Binance and Coinbase are compared, the charges against the former appear to be more serious. Accusations that Binance misappropriated customer assets for its gain are identical to those leveled at the now-defunct U.S. crypto exchange FTX and its sibling hedge fund, Alameda Research. Binance went on to say that the SEC's focus was not protecting investors, but rather claiming jurisdictional ground from other regulators, such as the Commodity Futures Trading Commission. The SEC charged Coinbase on the same day as Binance with operating as an unregistered securities exchange, broker, and clearing agency. Authorities also issued Coinbase's staking as a service program and marketing activities that positioned the exchange as compliant. Before making them available for trading, they must meet the conditions outlined in Howey. However, despite giving lip service, Coinbase has made it available for trading crypto assets that are investment contracts for years due to its aim to comply with applicable regulations. An investment contract occurs, according to the Howey test, when money is invested in a joint venture with a reasonable expectation of profit from the efforts of others. Coinbase responded to the complaint by stating that it had agreed to register some portion of our business with the regulator. However, due to the SEC's lack of cooperation, its efforts were futile. The exchange also stated that it asked the SEC to precisely define which cryptos on its platforms were considered securities, but it declined. And we will register the portions of our company that require registration. Meanwhile, the United States cannot afford for regulators to continue to jeopardize the good. Now for the big question. What does all of this mean for XRP? Please remember to subscribe to our channel and click that notice. To be the first to learn about the latest XRP developments, subscribe to our newsletter. Many of the SEC's cryptocurrency-related cases have resulted in settlements, with corporations paying fines and agreeing to comply with U.S. law. In other situations, this has meant abandoning the U.S. market or shutting down a cryptocurrency project. In the few cases determined in court, judges agreed with the SEC that certain crypto assets constitute securities. According to those judgments, developers' remarks connecting the value of their digital assets to efforts to create or maintain the related blockchain networks demonstrated that investors' profits were dependent on the efforts of others. The courts have also determined that investors in those assets participated in a common enterprise, since the cash they spent was pooled and utilized to develop relevant systems by the token issuer. The SEC's action against Ripple Labs over XRP, the world's sixth largest cryptocurrency, is likely to be determined next. Ripple has stated that there is no common enterprise because the blockchain connected with the cryptocurrency was fully operating before the sale of XRP. After the lawsuit was filed, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong stated on Twitter that the business is proud to represent the industry in court to finally get some clarity around crypto rules. However, a decision on the core question could take years. The Ripple case, which only involves one cryptocurrency, has taken 2.5 years to reach the point where a decision is feasible. In the Coinbase lawsuit, the SEC claims that 13 different digital assets sold on the platform constitute securities. So, have you ever considered Bitcoin's fate? Bitcoin, on the other hand, is not considered a security due to its anonymous and open-source beginnings. According to Carol Goforth, a law professor at the University of Arkansas, investor gains are not contingent on the efforts of developers or managers. Some blockchain initiatives have attempted to fund their operations in 2 stages. First, by providing securities under SEC standards, and then by gifting or selling cryptocurrency to those investors after constructing a functional blockchain. According to Goforth, the creators thought such a technique would eliminate the common enterprise feature. However, she said that the SEC has never specified what it takes to turn security into a non-security. Finally, this is the bottom line. Is it unavoidable to have cryptography regulations? Cryptocurrency regulation is, after all, unavoidable. The fact that all of the activity is taking place in the United States is a silver lining. Unlike in China, where a blanket ban on crypto activity was imposed in 2021, there is hope that the crypto business would fare better in the United States. With increased regulatory certainty, crypto exchanges are projected to emerge stronger, safer, and more accepted than ever before. So, gentlemen, we've reached the end of this video. If you loved it, please make sure to like the video, subscribe, and click the notification bell. This is quite beneficial to my understanding of the YouTube algorithm. You can also assist to enlighten. Others have been enlightened, just like you, by sharing this video with as many people as possible. Guys, let's spread the word everywhere. If you are a true cryptocurrency enthusiast, don't miss any of our content. We'll see you tomorrow to discuss the newest news that affects us all as a community.